Hey guys, what is up and how is it going? Today we're going to be discussing Event Manager and Ticket Selling Pro. This plugin comes up with two premium add-ons, which are Form Builder add-on, and the second one will be the PDF add-on, which will be pretty much generating tickets for our customers. Now before following this step-by-step guide, make sure you have two plugins already installed in your WordPress. First one will be Event Manager and Ticket Selling plugin for Woocommerce, and second one will be Woocommerce itself. So make sure you have these. First of all, what we are going to be doing is just installing and activating our add-ons, and to do so the steps are pretty much exactly the same as we do for our plugins. What you have to do is on your WordPress dashboard, just head over to plugins and from there to add new. When you click add new, you can see you have an option on the top left side of your screen to upload a plugin. Just click it and here you will get an option to choose a file. You can choose your add-ons from your local storage. So here you can see in my computer I have both of the add-ons. I'm simply going to select the Form Builder add-on and just click open. And you can see the install now option is now visible. Click on that and you can see it is installed in no time. Just click on activate plugin and you're good to go. Now for the second add-on, the steps are exactly the same. Now that you have installed both of the plugins, make sure you have both of your add-ons installed and activated on your WordPress. When you scroll to the top, you can see an error message which is saying the MagePDF support plugin should be installed and activated, but it's not installed on your website. Just click on install now, as it is going to be enabling the PDF support for our plugin. So you can see right now it is installed and we are directed toward our status tab, and here you can see the MagePDF support is installed but not activated. Click on this blue activate now button and you can see everything is green in here and our MagePeopleTeam support is also installed. If you are installing these plugins for the first time, you may have these two little crosses in front of the email from name and from email address. Don't worry about these, you can simply fix it by going to event settings and to email settings, and from here you can just type in your email address. When you type in your email address in a single field, it is automatically applied to all of the fields. Just save your changes and head back to status tab and you can see everything is perfect in here. Now that everything is perfectly green and seems to be good in here, you can move on to the next step. So you can see after installing the add-ons, you have many new features in here. For example, the registration form, attendee list, reports, bulk attendee date. Now don't worry, we will be discussing all these in details. Also, if you head over to the event settings, you will be able to see many new settings in here. For example, the attendee list column settings, Csv settings, the PDF settings, and the PDF email settings. Another great feature that you get after installation of Event Manager and Ticket Selling Pro is when you head over to events and add new event, you can see here attendee form. When you click on it, you can see some list of options. You can use this list of options to gather the amount of information that you would like to collect from your customers. For example, if I like to collect their full name, their phone number, or maybe their email address and also their company's name, I could do that simply by checking these checkboxes in front of them. So now if we head over to the front end page, scroll all the way to the bottom, the four options that we choose could be seen in here, which included name, email address, the phone number, and the company's name. Pretty awesome, right? Another great feature is this registration form drop-down menu, and using this you can use already created registration forms if you have created any globally. Like I have already created this simple identification. So let me show you how you can create a global registration form really quick. All you have to do is just head over to events and from there to this registration form. When you click on that, you can see an interface just open up where you have this add new button on the top left side of your screen, and you can see the simple identification that I discussed is already created in here. And to create a totally new registration form which will be global, what you have to do is just click on this add new and you can see some fields just open up, and below you can see a similar option with checkboxes in here. In the add title field, you can enter the name of your registration. So let's call it major information. That will be gathering major information of our customers, which will include full name and email address, designation. The choice is yours. You can do whatsoever you would like and check the boxes. You can also see the fields to change the language. When we are done, just publish and head over to events settings and choose the event of your choice. And when you go to attendee form, you can see when you drop down the please select registration form drop down menu, our major information form is visible in here. When you click it, you can see everything is Spanish, which means our global registration form is applied. So what's great about this is that global registration form will be available on every single event that you create, and you don't have to create manually every single time. And when you head over to the front end page, you can see all of the information that we selected from the global form option is visible in here. So yeah, I hope you understood that. Okay, now let's talk about the exciting new feature we get in the settings tab. To navigate, go to events and to event settings. So here you can see some new tabs are just displaying. For example, the attendee list column settings, the CSV settings, the PDF settings, and the PDF email settings. First of all is the CSV setting, and using this you can enable the options that you would like to export when you're exporting an attendee. Again, you can select whatever you would like. The next is the PDF setting. This is all about how your PDF is going to be looking like. For example, the PDF ticket style, you have PDF theme, you have extra services theme, you can even select a logo and so on and so forth. So you can see many great options in here. We have the ticket background image, and you can discover all these exciting features and customize your ticket totally according to your choice. Really exciting feature. The next comes the PDF email. Using this you can send email PDF ticket to your customers, and you can also select the scenario in which the email will be sent. For example, if your order is on pending, either it is on hold or maybe processing, and if is it completed. And you can also select multiple options if you do want to do that. And you can see right now I have selected processing and completed simply by checking these checkboxes. Okay, once you're done with customizing all the settings, when you save your changes and move to your front end page, you can see when I scroll down and enter some credentials in here and register for this event, and once you're provided good enough billing information and place your order, you can see this download ticket option in here, which could be used to download the PDF copy of the ticket. And you can see when I open the file, here is all the necessary information in our PDF ticket. Okay, now if you head over to your home page and go to events, and from there to attendee list, you can see all of the attendees or customers that are registered for the event. And on the top left side of your screen, you can see some filters for the event. For example, in the event filter, we have this drop down menu using which we can filter out a specific event. For example, Seminar 2021. When I click on this filter button, you can see these two attendees currently registered for our Seminar 2021 event. Now, if you look in front of the attendees, you have few options in here with exciting icons. For example, view, edit, and synchronize data and download ticket. Using these features, you can just perform the tasks which you would like. For example, with downloading ticket, you can download the ticket of an attendee and so on and so forth. And you also have an option to delete. Last but not least, you have this bulk attendee date. Using this, you can change an event date or modify it. For example, if I were to select the event Seminar 2021, I have to type in the old date, and you can simply select it from here and just input the new event date and time, and you can click on this modify event date and time, and you will be done. So yeah guys, that was it for the features, and now let's just discuss about add-ons that you can get for a single price. If we head over to events and to the welcome tab, you can see some great Mage add-ons in here. First of all, you have this Woocommerce event coupon code add-on. Using this feature, you can incorporate coupon code system into your events. The next one is event waitlist add-on. Waitlist add-on will help you to add waitlist from your event page when event ticket will be sold out. When customers can register waitlist, and admin will send email notification when the seat will be available. After that is event calendar add-on. Using this, you can enhance the display of event calendar feature with images and calendar wise details. And the Woocommerce event book an event from dashboard. This book event from dashboard add-on will add feature to purchase with from WordPress admin panel. This is for admin use only. When admin need to book any ticket for any customer, then admin can sell ticket from admin side. It can also be used counter ticket sell on the spot or event location. After that, we have Woocommerce event use registration from position. With this add-on, admin can choose where the event attendee or user form will display into the event details. details. Right now by default this form displaying in the event details page. The Woocommerce event duplicator add-on. This could be utilized if someone needs to duplicate a specific event, maybe make a copy of it, related events. With this add-on you can specify the related events. A recurring event. With the recurring event, repeating event feature can be added with the event manager. For example, if someone likes to sell daily, weekly or monthly ticket with the time selection option also possible, any kind of appointment, salon booking, zoo, ticket selling, museum, ticket, daily, city tour or any kind of ticket selling possible with this add-on. With QR code add-on, QR code will be printed to the PDF ticket that can be used for ticket validation using mobile app. Checkout record can be saved to the database as history so organizer can easily find details of the participant information after filtering or CSV export. Global quantity add-on. With this add-on, event manager and ticket selling plugin for WooCommerce plugins, ticket quantity can manage a common quantity or global quantity. By default it works with ticket types quantity, but with this add-on you can easily manage as a common quantity. Reviewing and rating add-on. Admin can enable reviewing and rating section event-wise, and using this add-on admin can also set up who exactly can review. The seat plan add-on. With this add-on anyone can sell ticket with seat plan also. Different type of seat plan and different pricing is possible and very flexible for seat mapping. The membership price add-on. Using this add-on ticket prices can set as different members pricing. Pricing will be dependent on the type of member that will log in. Currently it is supported with the WordPress default, user role and WooCommerce membership plugin. And finally we have WooCommerce event maximum and minimum quantity limiting add-on. Using this add-on an admin can sell an event with an applied limitation for its quantity. And yeah guys, that wraps it up, and I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you did so make sure to subscribe and like, and until next time, peace.